Hi y'all, this is the first weekly update that I am going to do. As I said, I will do these weekly, hence the name. That's just so that I can get in front of you, go over administrative stuff. It might be repetitive, but I will go over a little bit more detail each week, and that way we can just make sure we're on the same page. So here we go. Next week starts it all, right? We've had 2 weeks off. So let's talk about what you need to do for next week and some things to get on your radar. So I put it on Tuesday. You don't need to watch the lectures. You don't need to do all of it. If it says watch lectures, that's just like to do that week. Okay. So next week at some point, you need to watch the lectures over persuasive speaking, making arguments, and supporting materials and contextual reasoning. Okay. I will send those to you probably today. That way you just have them and you can watch them whenever you want next week. Also, I posted since the beginning of the semester, but I want to call it to your attention. I'm not going to do a lecture over it, but because I usually just have students read it and, look at the notes for their final exam. But I posted under the PowerPoints like normal, the chapter over style and language, and that does have my notes on them. So it's the PowerPoint plus the notes that you need for that chapter. So read that, get that on your radar because you will be quizzed over it on your final exam, just like everything else, but I'm not going to go over that. All right, Tuesday, something you do need to do by Tuesday is sign up for your persuasive speaking day by 11:59 p.m. So if you do not know how we're moving forward, you need to watch the video that I posted about the new game plan so that you know what I'm talking about. So let me show y'all how this is going to go. We are on our page. You're going to go under discussions just like you would for your topic discussions or your topic submissions. And then at the bottom, persuasive speech, speaking day sign up. So what you're going to do is copy and paste. So whoever starts it obviously is just going to copy and paste this. Insert your name, where you want to speak, on which day, and what order, and then you will post that. But what you need to do is you need to download or like copy and paste the thread from the most recent person so that you have the more updated list. If there's an easier way to do this, let me know. I don't know an easier way to do this, and I didn't want to do it on Google Docs. I'd rather keep everything on D2L because I know everything is crazy right now anyway. Okay, so this is up. First come, first serve, obviously. Let's go back to... Okay, so that is for Tuesday. I did push the initial outline submission back to Thursday, April 2nd, submitted to D2L by 11:59 p.m. I will change that deadline on D2L. Obviously, you can get that into me anytime before that. But how we're going to do this, since we have speeches on Tuesday, is Friday. I will email you your feedback if you are going on Tuesday, April 7th. That way you can have that feedback. So I will email it to you through D2L. I will also post a video of how to look at my comments on D2L. Okay, so that you know how to look at and so that you can see my comments. Okay. Persuasive speeches are still going to be next week. So I didn't want to move that because we have a lot going on. Initial outlines are due Thursday. I need to hear from some of you. I know we've been on break, so it's, that's fine. But I do need to hear from some of you to clarify your topics or to respond. So please respond to me as soon as possible because, I need to hear from you. So if I put on there that I need to hear from you, be sure that you go in the discussions and look at my comments on your topic. Okay. I know this is going to be an adjustment for all of us. I hope that y'all are doing well. I cannot say enough. I appreciate your patience with me and with me needing to wait until I knew how our department was going to move forward with the speeches because I didn't want to give y'all an updated course calendar, adjust everything, and then have to go back and be like, wait, never mind, my department chair said this. So I appreciate your patience. I appreciate your flexibility. I know this is going to be weird, but I'm here to help you succeed in any way that I can. I tried not to add a ton of busy work and, a ton of other stuff because I know a lot of this is going to be really different and even a little uncomfortable doing, it's hard doing speeches in general. But so anyway, I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I know it's a scary time. But yeah, I miss y'all. I hope you're doing well. Let me know if you have any questions because we are everything kicks off this coming week. So take care of yourselves, give yourselves a break, but be checking your emails. I don't want to overwhelm you, but I am going to be emailing you a lot of different stuff so that you can stay in the loop. So don't get overwhelmed, but just know you're going to hear from me as little as possible, but I don't want to just disappear. All right. Bye, y'all.